you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another vlog. We chilling in the garage right now. We just went for a run this morning. And we went for a run this morning. We're feeling healthy right now. We're having a breakfast because we're excited for the news that we're gonna put out soon in this channel, or in the family channel. This is my channel for today, because later on we're planning to hang out with the boys, but right now we're gonna go to Chemical Guys and buy some products to wash the cars, make them look clean, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, y'all come through with today's day and hope y'all enjoy. So I took a while to head over to Chemical Guys, so that's where we're going right now. But I've been in the computer just looking at videos, you know, catching up on videos that I haven't watched. And got a phone, Canon, model it from here, Okay, cool. Anyways, and we got some glass cleaners.
They're gonna say I'm always pissed in your vlogs.
You are.
I'm not. I'm actually chilling. I just
Glass cleaner, you know. Y'all hit me up for car wash. What the fuck is this car so close to me?
So
Anyway.
this is all the products so far. So you're gonna add onto it, you know. Got the leg cleaning, shampoo, tire sharing. This is my brother's, but there's a picture, and then I got the glass cleaner. Right now we're opening the foam wash for the water hose. Comes with this, and then it has the gun itself. And then it comes with this, which is gonna be the foam thing. Sprays out. And yeah, that's it. So we're gonna put it together. It's on there. It's for my leather cleaning right here, and this for like the inside to undust. I got my towels over there, and we're gonna wash my brother's truck right now, so y'all can see.
Your energy. Let me feed up off your energy. Go get your money, get up the paper, stack up your green. They ain't never get a flow, not collect the cow, never sleep. Cow never sleep. Let me feed up off your energy. Smoking loud, I got the remedy. Don't try to play me like Jeopardy. Round here don't care about eventually. Either you done or you dead to me. Came from pennies, I was proud. Slide around like Bobby Brown. Shorty from the boogie down.
Cars today, and we have another truck for right now, so I guess we're gonna do that all day today, wash cars, and yeah, hopefully I get another customer afterwards. I got 3 people asking me right now, so I mean, I guess it's just a business day of washing cars.
Down. Never put my hoodie down. Before I started play the benches, had to come up out the trenches. Now the squad is so relentless. Fuck it up, make it horrendous. We was winning from the start. Leave them swimming with the sharks. Had to duck and dodge your knocks. No recreation, you get parked. Go get your money, get up, baby, stack up your green. They ain't never get a flow, no collect the cow, never sleep. Pass me my blunt, I'm about to go chief. If I'm with your chick, you know it's not brief. I can bury your whole crew right by the reef. Remember they starving, ain't have much to eat. Claims she vegetarian, still wants to meet. Can bring her home to mama cause she's such a freak. And
Watching Beast right now. Matter, bro. We just got home right now for today's video. Thanks for watching. You already know we are out.